Too many UAE teams? Pick an SEO partner on price. Then 6 months, go to cleaning up the last one. Here is how to evaluate one before you sign. Built for UAE B2B teams. The wrong partner harms your site and reputation, not just budget. UAE internet penetration sits at 99%. With 11.3 million users online, buyers research before contact. Miss that window, you miss the shortlist. A credible partner covers 4 areas of SEO: technical, on-page, off-page, and content, with AI readiness alongside. It is a program, not a fixed ranking promise. Movement in 3 to 6 months, more between 6 and 12. Start with the questions Google publishes for hiring an SEO, past work timeframes, and how they measure success. For UAE teams, add 8 questions as your checklist. What matters is how honestly they answer. The clearest red flag is a guarantee. No one can guarantee a #1 ranking. Be wary of priority submit or special Google access. Cloaking and paid links can get a site removed. Judge reporting by what it shows and how clearly. A real report uses Search Console and analytics, not dashboards. In a bilingual market, tag each inquiry Arabic or English. That one field shows which half pays off. Treat AI SEO and GEO claims with equal scrutiny. Google says no special markup gets you into AI overviews. So a secret markup trick is a red flag. Good content can earn citations, never guaranteed. Check length, scope, ownership, and exit before signing. Since SEO compounds, most credible retainers run 12 months. Confirm you own Search Console, analytics, the site, and content. If a partner holds those accounts, walk away. Pin down Arabic and English scope early. Is Arabic planned bilingual work or bolted-on translation? And is right-to-left layout in scope, not a font swap? Bilingual SEO is planned both ways, never retrofitted. Bring it together in a 10-row pass table. Score each partner, good versus red flag. Read it with a veto, not a points total. One red flag answer ends the conversation. So evaluate before you sign, not after the cleanup. Lead with account ownership and the reporting standard. Walk Production holds this discipline for UAE B2B SEO. Plan yours with Walk Production.